this very sweet little antique bistro set at a local charity shop that's also kind of an antique shop, and I thought it looks very similar to the one that I saw at Burford Garden Centre, obviously at a fraction of the price, and I thought this could be a fun little upcycling project. This set is going to go in the back courtyard eventually, and I'm going to pave that area, so I thought this would look nice, having a table and chairs set out the back. I just want to see if it'll look awful in this colour. Just hope it doesn't rain, eh, Florrie? I don't think it's going to rain. Excuse me, Florrie. Out the way. Uh-oh. Let's try on this one, shall we? Oh, I'm going to try the colour under the chair first. Hopefully I won't spray you, Florrie. It's like, oh no, I'm already red. Oh, nice.
Set aside every empty spreadsheet line and loosen up on the grind. Simmer down, settle back and mess around.
Well, it's now red. Hey, Chloe, where's your ball?
I will see the whole deal through today. I've got better things to do.
What's that then? I did 1 and a bit chairs, so I need maybe 3 more cans.
In the sun, be the cat in the sun. Stretch out, lean back, be the cat. Stretch out, lean back.
This is what the bistro set is now looking like. I hope you like it. If you don't let me know. Then I headed back over to the house and I had to get it ready for the plasterers that were coming to skim over the horrible Artex ceilings. While I was there, I took the wooden brackets off the wall that had the old shelves on them and I filled those in, left those to dry. I'd probably need to go back and do some more filling and sanding over there.
Come on, soft, turn the key and cooler on. Push the pause for a
And then here's a before of what the ceilings are looking like with all the texture on them. And then you just wait until the magic of the plastering happens.
ask to be the cat in the sun.
I'm back at the house this morning and I wanted to show you the ceilings because they're finished and they look so good. I'm so glad I got someone in to plaster them. I think it was definitely worth the money. I mean, it wasn't even all that expensive in the grand scheme of things. Florrie, no, we're not going out there just yet. Florrie's not very happy with me this morning because I've brought her here and she can't find her ball. Is that what you're looking for, your ball? Yeah. This girl is rather obsessed with her ball. Any ball in general, isn't it? So I'm going to show you the ceilings now that they're finished. So we have the porch, living room, kitchen, little hallway bit, and both upstairs bedrooms. Oh, shaking. So let's see what they look like now. Here's the ceiling in the porch. Open the windows wide to try and dry everything out because this one is still really wet. That was done a while ago. This was a whole different thing, this wall, to do with dead damp issues. And this is what the living room's looking like. He's honestly done such a good job. And then the kitchen was really not a fun one to do because this was the most textured. And I'm so glad I paid someone to do this because leaning up the whole time and just like, oh, it's such back-breaking work. So it's amazing they got it done in a weekend. Still got the scaffolding out the back. Let's get some airflow in here. Hey, Flory? This little bit of hallway was done. Flory's still too scared to come up the stairs. And I don't think she can actually do them, to be honest. So she has to be carried. I'll be 1 minute, okay? I'm just showing everyone the ceilings. The ceiling drying out nicely up here in the little bedroom. And then the large bedroom is looking good. It's a bit dark because of the scaffolding outside. Come on then. You're gonna have to learn how to go up those stairs at some point, Flory. Now I'm gonna go and open the outhouse and clear all of the stuff from that wall, or as much as I can basically, so that it's looking clear and he can do all the brickwork. Come on. I realised I moved all of this stuff out with my dad, who's not here at the moment. He's in Switzerland. And so I can't carry anything else on my own that's in the way. I have to just make do. This is the wall that's being fixed. You can literally see into next door's one, so I'll probably ought to go and tell them what's going on tomorrow. This is what I was going to move, all of this, but it's too heavy. I shall just have to try my best, eh, Flory? Okay, I could move all of this and then just move that somewhere. Very tricky when you're on your own and you have chicken arms. Move these bags all out, I don't need these in here.
Set aside every empty spreadsheet line.
So this is the huge crack in the outbuilding. They're currently over there at the moment fixing it now. So I'm sure in the next video I will have a nice after shot for you. Eventually this outbuilding is all going to be insulated, but I needed this wall not to fall down. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one.